Singsang Tai Tai Leho. I am Lucy Abe, born on October 4, 1982, 42 years old, from Batangas, Philippines. I am married and blessed with two children, aged 17 and 13 years old. I am a college graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years and 10 months, from September 2015 to July 2018. I serve one couple and two children, aged 18 and 16 years old. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 8 months from June 2019 to February 2020. I serve 48 and 46 years old lady. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 3 years and 4 months, from January 2021 to May 2024. I serve one couple and two children, aged 4 and 1 year old.
Hello, Miss Lucy Abe. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties are taking care of the whole family, providing the service that they need, especially when it comes to their children.
Okay, can you talk to us about your daily activities from the morning that you wake up until the night you went to your bed?
My daily my daily activities and duties are cleaning the house, cooking their food for their whole day, washing clothes and dishes, and taking care of them.
May we know your working time abroad?
I work for 12 hours a day, starting 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening.
So what are your reasons why you want to go back again in Hong Kong?
Because I already experienced their culture and also people are nice.
Can you cook some Chinese food? Can you give us example dish and how to cook it?
Yes, sir. Like Chinese soup. First, blanch the pork with hot water and put some ingredients like carrots, corn, and honey dates. When boiled, it with a low fire within 1.5 hours.
Okay, what if the parents of your employer always find the mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will focus to my work and do my best to improve it.
What is the most important thing in caring of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
How will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure doors and windows are always closed, keep sharp objects away, and keep harmful materials out of their reach.
So how will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
What is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, but the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
What if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or parents and call a doctor for help and advice.
So what are the advantages of your future employer if they will hire you?
I have good experience and I assure you that I will always do my job well.
Do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Okay, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Lucy Abe, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Ma'am and sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.